How to use Xbox Game Pass feature 2026. To use Xbox Game Pass, you have to subscribe to a tier like Ultimate or PC via the Xbox Game Pass site. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice. From here, tap on that search bar, then type Xbox Game Pass. Once you are here within the official site, go ahead and tap on it, then proceed to log into your account. From here, you can utilize the service to its full potential with these key features. You can use the day one release. If you are an Ultimate and PC subscriber, you can get immediate access to the new titles on the day they launch. Or you can also use the cloud gaming. Stream hundreds of games directly to a compatible phones, tablets, or VR headsets without needing to download them. Or you can use the mobile application to browse the Game Pass library and trigger the downloads to your home console so games are ready when you get there. You simply have to launch the application onto your device and then head to the Game Pass library. Once this is loaded, you will find the games option over here. You can proceed to download it from here as well. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.